Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind Life, welcome to the channel. Now, I finally got my $20,000 R34 GTR seats right over here. I'm actually kidding about the $20,000 part, but they are R34 GTR seats that are replicas, probably the only ones ever made. These were purchased off of Crank Motorsports. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. So this video entails just an unboxing and showing you guys a closer look at what this is all about. So let's go ahead and unbox and show you guys what's inside. There you go, guys, nicely bubble wrapped. Let's take these out and show you guys what they look like. Well, here it is, guys, R34 GTR V-Spec Seats. They look pretty legit to me. Now the back is also nice with the touch of Alcantara top to bottom. This is the same print and fabric you'll find on the real GTR. Now Alcantara inserts in the middle as well on the front. The only difference you'll note is it does use bright recliners and aftermarket sliders. They also sell the base to mount to your GTT, GTR, as well as many other cars. So I'm just gonna sit down here to get an idea how these feel. I'm climbing back some more. I gotta say, feels legit. It actually feels really good. Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, for a fraction of the cost of what these are going for on the market, I think this is a very good deal. So stay tuned. We're gonna install these in my R34. Next video, we'll be putting them in to show you guys how it looks and how it withstands driving and going around town in them. So thanks for watching, guys.